Hello everyone, welcome you all to my VBA mini project video. In this video, I have created the invoice generator for thread manufacturing company, and then let's see how it is like. Once you double click this Excel file, you will be directed to the login form. In here you have your text boxes to enter your username and the password, as well as two buttons to submit and to clear. Let's enter wrong credentials first and I'll submit. It shows an error message saying that the credentials are invalid, and we have to try again. In this clear button, we can clear all the things we enter earlier, and I'll give the correct details this time and I'll submit. Once you enter the correct detail, you will be directed to this invoice generation form. In here, you can see the invoice and buttons. Before all, I'll explain briefly about this company. This is a thread manufacturing company. In here, they are manufacturing threads and they are selling as bulk to their customers. All the details are about the selling and the manufacturing process. They are keeping records on Excel, and this project is to make an invoice when they make a sale. So in here you can see in this invoice our company details and customer details section. In here you can see the invoice number. So the invoice number is 12. Let's see how it is generated. When you go to sales, you can see the previous invoice number is 11, and the coming up next invoice must be the 12, and the date automatically will be generated according to the current date. And here we have to enter our customer details. Because we have a huge customer base, we can enter our customer detail, then the address, then the contact detail for this invoice. Okay, after entering customer details, we can enter the selling items. So when we enter these items, we only have to enter the HSN code. This HSN code is made to each and every item they manufacture in the company. And if you don't know, and if you are not familiar with these numbers, you can refer this guide table as well. So according to the guide table, I'll add cotton, which is H21. You can see once you add the HSN code, all the details will be automatically generated except the quantity. So you have to enter the quantity you're going to sell to this customer. I add it according to that one. All the things will be generated, the amount and the subtotal. Let's add another one here. And can quantity, getting the subtotal, it will be displayed as subtotal. And there are these kind of scenarios. The quantity we have in our stock is lesser than the customer's order quantity. In that kind of scenario, let's see what the response of this invoice sheet. So I'll add H28 and I'll add a huge quantity, and you can see it generates a alert here saying that we are out of stock and we only have this much of quantity available. So we have to reduce this number and end. Yeah, all all things are here. We bought in our invoice, and now we can print our invoice. Once you click the print invoice button, the invoice will be printed as the PDF. Here, yeah, you can see that one very clear. Okay. Then keeping these details are very important to this company. So once you print, you can save these details to the Excel sheets. Let's save these details. Okay, so once you save, let's see whether the details are saved. Yeah, we created the invoice under 12, invoice number 12. So you can see all the things we enter is in here. Let's refer these details tabs one by one. This is for the purchase entry, which is our manufacturing details. We are manufacturing these kind of items, and the rates, the selling rates, and the manufacturing quantity also we can see here, and the sales details we can see here. The details about the sales, about the quantity we add in the invoice, all are generated here. And in this stock tab, we can see the HSN code and the item, and the manufacturing quantity, and the sales quantity, and currently available quantity in the stock. Let's change the purchase entry and see what's happening. We change the cotton into 1000. It was 2000. And let's see in the stock. Yeah, it reduced under 1000. All are connected to each other. In here, if this amount haven't been changed, you can refresh with this button and get the amounts. Not only that, I have added charts to get the idea of this sales and the items availability and the selling price versus purchase price. Likewise, to get this kind of insights to the company. So with that one, it brings me to the end of my video, and this that's all for my project. Thank you for watching.